Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Jordan 2 Low by Jordan Brand in the UNC colorway. It comes in a black and cream Jordan Wings logo box. Inside the box comes with shoes with white paper. No extra accessories are included. An extra set of blue laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Released in early July 2023 here in the UK, Jordan Brand pays homage to his college roots with his premium white leather upper with hits of university blue. Reptile skin inspired overlays the collar and parts of the quarter panels. North Carolina blue also accents the Wings logo on its tongue, sock liner, insoles and heel clip. Since its release in 1986, the Jordan 2 is one of the most disliked Jordan models. Even Michael Jordan himself felt the shoe was too heavy and ugly. The thickness of its Italian leather upper and midsole wasn't practical for the court. Air Force 1 designer Bruce Kilgore and Jordan 1 designer Peter Moore, however, still created one of the best looking Jordan lows in my opinion. The Jordan 2 Low is a clean, high-end feeling premium sneaker that looks fresh in this UNC colorway. Size and wide, it's wide foot friendly with its plush leather upper, so I stay true to size. As usual, purchase links will be in the YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment Carolina to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.